Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Hey there, I am going to show you a new install here. This is just a quick install. This isn't all that elaborate glue down baby hair crap because I don't have time for that. So this is the, oh, what the hell? Lena. How to find it. The Lena by Bobbi Boss. And this color is indigo blue or something. So it's just a short bob, lace front. So when you get it in the package, then it comes like this. And they had a darker blue or more vibrant blue. It comes in all kinds of colors. Purple, but it's a lavender purple, so I didn't really care for it. And this had some blues and purples mixed, much lighter. We'll see. Something new and different. It has a center part. I'll take out this part. And that's this. So it has a lace in the front here. So you can see how that looks against your skin. The lace. It has the center part only. See that? And the edges. And no lace in the back. It has a couple of clips in the back to adjust for tightness. It has a comb in the back, and it has two in the front, right where the lace ends. Two combs. So there we go, for whatever, security, whatever you want to call it. So the main thing is to brush all the hair back from the lace so that you can cut this edge to fit your face or your hairline. It is not, as you can see up close, it's not plucked. The knots are not dyed. Let me come up here where you can see that. Very simple. No dyed knots, no plucked fronts. Okay. All right, so let's get this lace cut here. See the purples and blues there. Okay, so with this, some people put it on and cut it, but I am not going to. I'm just gonna start at the ear line and cut my way up, and then if I need to cut more later, I will. And I just cut along this hairline, and then after I get it on, I can always adjust or fit it. And I just get as close as I can to the hairline that they have on here. It's a little crooked there. Okay. All the way back to the ear. Same on this side. And some people leave all that to glue down. I'm not good with the gluing, so basically that's it. See, you cut off that piece, and your edge is straight like that. Okay, so it does have some flyaways and stuff, but I'm gonna use a little something after I put it on. So to attach. Secure the comb in the back. Get it where I want it in the front before I try to secure these combs that are on the inside. Make sure my points are even on the side. A lot of people, they do their hair and then their makeup. But I don't have time for all that gluing and tying down baby hairs and whatnot. I'm just not into it, so. don't know. Something right here ain't working for me. Need to be more in the back. There we go. And if you want, you can use a couple extra bobby pins to secure it where you feel it needs it. If you feel it needs it. Okay. And I'm basically going to just put a little bit of wig spray on the hand and then rub it to try and catch these flyaways. See the difference? Flyaways over here. This side I've put wig spray on. You can see the flyaways have died down. Okay, my brush. And voila, that's it. So, oops. Right here is where, if I was gonna glue, I would glue. But unless I'm putting it, unless I plan to be in a wind tunnel or put it behind my ear, which I don't think I need that. I don't have a job where I do a lot of movement. It is what it is. It is what it is. All right, so there we go. Give a little 360. Here's a different angle. Upper angle where everybody tries to do that, but straight angle. Thanks for watching. What do you think, huh? He's like, it sounds like Mama. Hi, baby. He's like, it sounds like her. Hi, baby. Is that Mama? Who is that strange looking lady? Is that Mama? Is it Mama? Is it? He said, sounds like her and scratches like her. But when I came out of the bathroom, he was like, oh, oh. All right, so I'm on my way to work again. But I am feeling, I'm kind of feeling this winter look. The frosty blue hair and all. I don't know. We'll see. I got a couple other looks I'm also going to be trying out. It's the beauty of wigs. You can change your hair as frequently as you like. Color, style, length, texture, whatever you feel like doing. Sorry, I wanted my ear out. I don't like hair on top of my ear with the hat. I know, a little crazy, I know. There. So yeah. So I have a couple other looks I'm going to do. So stay tuned for those, alright? Don't forget, subscribe. Turn on that notification bell if you haven't, so you don't miss out on any new uploads. See you soon. Bye.